If the process called Windows Audio Device Graph Isolation is using a massive amount of your CPU and slowing down your PC, don't worry. This is a very common sound driver glitch, and we are going to fix it step by step. First, the most effective fix is to disable audio enhancements. Right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab. Find your default audio device. Right-click on it and open Properties. If you see the Enhancements tab, click on it and check the box that says Disable All Enhancements. If you do not have the Enhancements tab, it means your audio driver layout is different. In that case, go to the Spatial Sound tab in that same window. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Off. Click Apply and then click OK. Open your Task Manager now to see if your CPU usage dropped back to normal. If it is still high, the second step is to change your audio sample rate to a lower bit rate. If it is set to a high 24-bit quality, it can strain your processor. Go back to the Sound Control panel. Right-click your default audio device and open Properties again. This time, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Default Format section, click the drop-down menu and lower it to a standard 16-bit quality, such as 16-bit 48,000 Hz. Click Apply, click OK, and check your Task Manager again. If that doesn't fix it, the third step is to restart the Windows Audio service. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down the list until you find the service named Windows Audio. Right-click on it and select Restart. Once it finishes restarting, check if your CPU usage is back to normal. If the issue persists, the fourth step is to fix an exclusive mode glitch caused by background apps like Skype or gaming software. Open your Sound Control panel one more time. Right-click your active audio device and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab, and under the Exclusive Mode section, uncheck the box that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and click OK. Now restart your computer. If this step-by-step guide helped you fix your high CPU usage, please leave a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. See you in the next one!